will explore the star, number, and stone, science and innovation in ancient civilization. More than 5,000 years ago, around 3,100 BC, a powerful civilization began along the banks of the Nile rivers in Northeast Africa. Ancient Egypt, we know their achievements were real because they left behind physical evidence that still stand today. The Great Pyramid of Giza, built from 2580 to 2560 BC, is aligned almost perfectly to the cardinal direction, with an error of only 0.067 degrees. Clear proof of their mathematical and astronomical mastery. Meanwhile, thousands of kilometers away in Mesoamerica, the Milan civilization reached its height between 250 CE and 900 CE. Their accomplishments are also proven by archaeological evidence. The Temple of Kumbhagan in Chichen Itza, construction around 1050 CE, cast the shadow of serpent and step during the equinox, an exact line that reveals their advanced knowledge of the sun's movement. Today, we will explore how this civilization shaped the early foundation of science and technology.
Ancient Egypt, Geography and Timeline. Ancient Egypt emerged around 3100 BCE when Upper and Lower Egypt were unified under Pharaoh Narmer, located in northeast Africa. Egypt thrived because of the annual flooding of the Nile River, which deposited fertile black soil called Kemet. Evidence carved in the Narmer palette discovered at Hierakonpolis proved the unification of Egypt and marks the start of a stable society. With consistent food production and organized leadership, Egyptians were able to focus on science, engineering, and writing, setting the stage for one of history's longest civilizations.
And now let's talk about Egyptians' innovations. From architecture, math, and medicine, the Egyptians achieved groundbreaking innovations supported by real artifacts. Their most iconic achievement, the Great Pyramid of Giza, built for Pharaoh Khufu around 2580 to 2560 BCE, required precise measurements. Archaeologists found copper chisels, leveling tools, and measuring rods at Giza, proving their advance in engineering methods. They also developed hieroglyphics carved into temple walls and written on papyrus scrolls as early as 3000 BCE. In medicine, the Edwin Smith papyrus from around 1600 BCE, discovered in Luxor, provides detailed surgical description, evidence that Egyptians practiced early scientific medicine, including suturing, bandaging, and anatomical observation.
Egyptian astronomy and scientific thinking. Egyptian astronomy was essential to their survival. They observed the star Sirius and noticed it rose just before the Nile's annual flooding, which allowed them to create the 365 days calendar around 2400 BC. The Egyptians also used the Merkhet, an early astronomical tool found in Thebes, to align temples such as Karna, built around 2055 BC.
Is Mayan geography and timeline. The Mayan civilization flourished in present-day Guatemala, Mexico, Belize, Honduras, and El Salvador. Their classic period 250 to 900 CE marks the height of their achievement. Archaeologists uncover massive urban center like Tikal, where the Temple of the Great Jaguar, built around 732 CE, stand as evidence of their advanced architectural planning. Stone stelae found at Tikal and the Copan contain exact dates written in the long calendar, providing they have the precise record keeping systems supported by mathematical accuracy.
Mayan scientific and mathematical innovation. The Mayan created one of the world's most sophisticated base 20 mathematical system including the concept of zero as early as 36 BCE based on the evidence found in the Capia de Compostela. This shows that they understood numerical spaceholder century before Europe. Writing system found in the Dresden Codex include astronomical tables and eclipse prediction accurate to within a single day. Architecturally, they build massive temples like the temples of the Inscription and Palenque, completed around 690 BCE, which contain one of the longest hieroglyphic inscription even discovered proof of their intellectual depth.
Mayan astronomy was extraordinary. At El Caracol, an observatory located in Chichen Itza, built in 900 CE, the windows aligned the movement of Venus, the planet they track for agricultural and ceremonial purposes. The Dresden Codex include the detailed eclipse prediction table, proving that they observed and recorded the celestial cycles with high accuracy. They created the three major calendars. First is the Zukin, or the 260 days ritual calendar. Second, the Ha'ab, or the 365 days solar calendar. And last is the Long Count, which began on August 11, 3114 BCE, according to their calculations.
Although separated by ocean and thousands of years, ancient Egypt and the Mayans, they demonstrate how the human creativity flourishes independently. The Egypt pyramids and the mythical papyrus and the temple alignings provide the physical proof of engineering and astronomical advancement. The Mayans leave behind condensing observatories and mathematically aligned pyramids that prove their scientific precisions. Both of civilizations share deep commitment to understand the natural world, whether through floodings of the Nile or the movement of the stars. These legacies remind us that early humans were brilliant thinkers or built this foundation of modern science.